Good morning, dear students. How are you? Are you okay? Let's start our lesson. Model 1, Hobbies and Qualities. The theme of our lesson is What did Victorians do for fun? Grade 9. You can see learning objectives of the lesson. In this lesson, we work with the text. We read and understand the main information about what did Victorians for fun. At first, let's learn new words.
Bathing suit. Bathing suit.
Шомылатын костюм.
Day trip. Day trip.
Күндізгі сапар.
Era. Era.
Дәуір.
Gramophone. Gramophone.
Граммофон.
Lacrosse. Lacrosse.
Лакросс.
Music hall. Music hall.
Музыка бөлмесі.
Musical instrument. Musical instrument.
Музыкалық аспап.
Performance. Performance.
Сөз сөйлеу.
Railway system. Railway system.
Темір жол жүйесі.
Record. Record. Seafront. Seafront.
Жағалау.
Wheel. Wheel. Wooden hut. Wooden hut.
And now make up the sentences using 3 or 4 words. Look at the pictures from the Victorian era. How do you think people spent their free time then? Look at the picture A. What kind of people do you think went to the Swansea and what could they do there? Which of the sports in the picture B do you recognize? Do people still do or play these sports games today? Now watch the video to comprehend the text.
What did the Victorians do for fun? In Victorian times, people enjoyed some of the hobbies we have today. In large towns, people loved watching performances at music halls and theatres, which were not only popular but also cheap. At home, hobbies included playing musical instruments and singing songs around the piano. Then, when the gramophone was invented, they spent their time playing records. They also liked reading newspapers, magazines and comics. As the time went on, their choice of hobbies also changed. Victorians began to take short day trips, which was easy to do thanks to the new railway system. They went for walks along the seafront, on boat trips and swimming in the sea. Of course, during that time they didn't want people to see them in their bathing suits, so they got changed in wooden huts that they wheeled into the sea. Men in the Victorian era enjoyed playing and watching cricket, rugby and lacrosse. Cycling was also a popular hobby. Do you have any of the same hobbies as Victorians? How have hobbies changed since then?
Mark the following statements with the true or false. The first one, most of the hobbies we enjoy today were not popular during the Victorian era. True or false? Watching theatrical performances was a popular but expensive pastime. When at home, the Victorians enjoyed singing and playing records. Developments in the railway system made traveling more popular. Victorians avoided swimming as they didn't want to be seen in their swimming outfit. And the last one, men loved playing rugby and cricket and also liked cycling. True or false? Mark the statements true or false. Okay, let's check it. The first one is false, because they have different hobbies. The second one, watching theatrical performances was a popular but expensive pastime. It is false, because it is not popular but it also cheap in the pastime. The third one is true, the fourth is true, and the fifth is false, because they didn't avoid swimming. The last one is true. One more task for comprehend the text. Complete the text with the words below. Performances, magazines, short, enjoyed, during, weird, included, and popular. Let's check it from the text. Okay, the lesson is over. Goodbye.